Look at this little surprise. Wow. Guys, ऐसे kittens का मुझे बहुत इंतजार था. My Boba has a golden heart. Oh my god, these kittens are so cute. It's amazing how something so small can bring so much joy. This sweet kitty is making everything feel extra special. Arey wow. Let's shower this adorable kitten with all the loves and cuddles it deserves. Wow, it's like a tiny piece of joy right here in our home. Guys, it was alone walking in the street and my grandpa brought it to surprise me. Look at my brother, he's disturbing this poor kitten. Hey guys, give like to our poor and cute kitten. Bye bye, see you next time.